I want to give you a few USPS hacks when it comes to shipping, so you can actually save big time, especially when it comes to regular small business shipping. Okay, so I want to give you a few hacks into this conversation. So let me give you the generalities here. When you think about USPS, you have to really understand that USPS actually has a whole lot of resources for your small business. Okay, you can actually do a lot with USPS legally, but also profitably. You can use the service to your advantage as a small business. So let me first explain to you that when you think about USPS, I want you to remember that this is a federal agency. This is not like UPS is totally different from UPS or FedEx because USPS can do certain things that all the other carriers can't really do. So that's kind of cool because it gives you access to markets where all the other carriers can't really touch. For instance, the military, like military outpost. If you want to really target, let's say, the military because maybe you have a business or you have an offer that really appeals to that could appeal to soldiers, you can only just go through the USPS. Okay, so the USPS remains a federal agency, a federally operated shipping company. Okay, so and this comes with a lot of benefits because you have affordable rates because this is a government subsidized carrier. You have by definition at lower rates when you think about the shipping for business or shipping for individual purposes. Okay, so you have affordable rates. You have also a free priority mail supplies. You have a pickup program, and you have also the ability to schedule pickups in advance. That's really good. You can schedule pickups up to 3 months in advance. So for your business, that's pretty good, especially if you need to plan or even plan certain operations. I mean, certain initiatives in advance. So that's really good. So if you need your items, for instance, picked up at a time that doesn't align with your letter carrier's schedule, you can also pay a fee to schedule a pickup on demand service. So in addition to these benefits, USPS actually offers a suite of services designed to help small businesses thrive. Okay, and you have five that you will love. You have the USPS marketing mail. You have USPS Connect, so you have Connect local delivery. So for the USPS marketing mail, you have lower marketing and advertising rates. You have the USPS Connect local delivery, same day and next day delivery for select zip codes. You have the click and ship, so you have faster label printing. You have every door direct mail, the EDDM. So here you have delivery advertisements to neighborhoods without knowing recipients' names or addresses. So that's really good. And finally, you have guidance and starter kit. So you can talk to a business solutions associate about your shipping needs and get a free starter kit. So that's kind of cool. So if you're thinking about small business USPS tactics, let me give you a few hacks here. Here are the top hacks to really follow this year if you're trying to lower your cost of small business USPS shipping. First thing first, you want to really choose your USPS shipping method. Everything starts with having the right method. Don't choose the shipping method randomly because it is going to this the choice you have is going to affect your budget, but also the final cost. Okay, so the best shipping method for your order will vary by product, customer location, etc. Right? USPS shipping for small businesses is not really a one size fits all. It really depends on the specifics of your transaction. So what you want to do is you want to visit the USPS website to read about the requirements for each USPS shipping method and also order your free shipping supplies. The reason why you want to go to the USPS website is because they constantly change their policies. They constantly change the procedures. So it's always good to go to the source of the data, the source of the info, to have the right information. Okay, and you can also create fake labels to test out the cheapest option. That's really also a possibility, so you can see what works and what doesn't work for you. So that's the first thing. The first thing is to actually choose your USPS shipping method. Next, you want to pack your order. So packing your order shouldn't be that complicated when it comes to your small business, unless you're shipping like a gun or whatever. I mean, if you're shipping a regular package, it shouldn't be that complicated. Okay. So when purchasing your shipping label, you want to enter the total package weight. That includes the weight of your packaging materials also, okay? So poly mailer dimensions are measured pre-folded, not after folding, but pre-folded. So when in doubt, you want to round the weight and measurements up, right? You do not want to really err on the side of not having your mail delivered. Next, you want to drop off or schedule a pickup. So when it comes to if you are trying to ship via USPS for your small business, it's always important to schedule stuff, okay? It's always important to really plan in advance. So once you have packed your order, don't waste time standing in line at the post office. I mean, time is money, right? You have a business to run, you have employees to look after, you have stuff to do, you have customers to serve, okay? So don't waste time standing in line at the post office. So either use the pickup service or drop packages in the metal chute or bin at your local post office. And this is pretty reliable, by the way. Don't really worry about your mail being lost or whatever. No, there are some people telling customers, USPS customers, that having the metal chute is not really a good strategy in place. No, this is a pretty reliable strategy. Okay, so and that's really good. And also, you want to take advantage of small business discounts that USPS from time to time offers. Okay, small businesses can actually, if your small business can qualify actually for USPS volume discounts as long as you meet the following minimum quantities. So pre-sorted and automation first class mail, 500 pieces. USPS marketing mail, 200 pieces or 50 pounds. Destination entry parcel select ground, 50-piece minimum per mailing. I'm going to put this on the screen so it's pretty clear to you. You have pre-sorted and carrier route sorted bound printed matter, 300 pieces. You have commercial library mail, 300 pieces. And you have commercial media mail, 300 pieces. So this is actually the volume on which you can actually get a discount, a significant discount, okay? So there is a simpler way to get discounted rates. However, you can use Shipment software. Actually, you have a lot of Shipment software that actually has this kind of embedded service. So that's important. But don't forget that everything starts with the Shipment service that you choose. Okay, and I'm gonna go through the Shipment services that you want to choose if you are shipping USPS for your small business. So let me talk about the USPS shipping methods. So you have USPS Priority Mail, you have Priority Mail Flat Rate, you have Priority Mail Cubic Shipping, you have USPS First Class Mail. Let's quickly talk about that. Let's first talk about USPS Priority Mail. Now, USPS Priority Mail actually has a typical delivery time of 1 to 3 days, and this is actually across the whole United States, okay, including Alaska and Hawaii, okay, 1 to 3 days. So to ship with Priority Mail, you have to measure the dimensions and weight of your package first. So be very careful here because the USPS is actually pretty strict when it comes to those measurements. So the box you use doesn't matter. It doesn't matter for a regular Priority Mail. It can be of any color that you want. You can actually get free Priority Mail boxes from USPS. Pricing also is impacted by zones, which means shipping with regular Priority Mail can get expensive for longer distances. Let's say you are in New York and you're shipping to Hawaii, or you're shipping to Alaska, or you're shipping to California, for instance. You also have a Priority Mail Flat Rate. This is another scenario to actually consider, actually. So Priority Mail Flat Rate shipping follows the if it fits, it ships model, okay? Geographic zones do not impact the shipping price as long as you are shipping in a flat rate box. So the padded flat rate envelope can actually fit a small box, which can be cheaper than sending the same box with regular Priority Mail. You can also order free regional rate boxes and pay a shipping rate priced by zone. So that's also a possibility if you are looking for shipping hacks for your small business. Also, let's talk about Priority Mail Cubic Shipping. So because it's actually based on cubic volume rather than weight. This shipping method is actually great for small, heavy packages. The price is actually based on box dimensions. So the bigger the box, the more expensive the shipping rate. You can use any box so long as no one side exceeds 18 inches in length. While you can't walk into USPS and use this option, you can access Priority Mail Cubic through other shipping software. Also, you have a USPS first class mail. So first class mail actually applies to any package under 1 pound. So the the restriction here is 1 pound. So they are typically sent in poly mailers and can arrive in 2 to 3 days. First class mail is actually zone based, which means geographical distance impacts shipping rates. So when shipping first class, ensure that the dimensions and weight are actually accurate before sending. And because what happens here is that if your package is too large, your customers could actually face extra fees at the post office. So if you're thinking about a small business USPS shipping hacks this year, you have to really understand about timing. So chronology plays an important role. So what? So I give you all. I'll give you 5 shipping methods, right? So the question is, what USPS shipping option is actually best for your small business? Let me just rephrase that question. How often do you ship, and to what destinations? And most importantly, what kind of shipments do you actually do you have? I mean, what kind of goods are you shipping? Okay, so the best USPS shipping option for your business will vary order by order. So it's not a one thing where you say, well, you know what, I'm gonna have a blanket shipping option for all my shipments. No, all my shipments. No, this will vary order by order. So what you want to do here is you want to sit down and really look deeply. You want to look at factors like the size and weights of the content, the customer location, and also the expected delivery date to actually find the cheapest shipping method that checks all your orders boxes. So, I mean, timing is going to be really important, okay? And also, you want to really pay attention to the shipping rate calculation. So, how do you calculate USPS shipping rates? The cool thing is that USPS has done things a lot more easily for you. So you have actually on the USPS website or even through the app, there is a retail postage price calculator. So all you have to do is to actually input your origin zip code, your destination zip code, your departure date, and also details about your package to actually. So once you insert those 3 or 4 elements, you are able to have an idea of potential shipping methods and the associated rates. Okay, so that's really good to actually to know exactly how much you get in your. I mean, how much you can actually account for in your budget before actually shipping the goods in the first place. So when it comes to a small business USPS shipping hacks, you have to really understand that sometimes you can do things manually, right? But sometimes you also could use a shipping software, especially if you have a certain volume of shipments and you can't really just do it manually. It might be helpful to actually help yourself out, if you will, with shipping software. Okay, I mean, let me give you a few advantages here. So e-commerce shipping software actually does a great job in terms of streamlining the order management and fulfillment processes for all leading shipping carriers, from USPS to UPS, from FedEx to DHL. So the first benefit that you have if you use a third-party shipping software is that you have order and inventory management. I mean, import orders from sales channels like your online store, Amazon, Etsy, eBay, to centralize and manage all your orders in one place. So once all your orders are imported to the shipping software, you can actually fulfill them from a single dashboard. So this centrality of things is really good. This holistic point of view, okay? So you have capabilities that can help you reconcile inventory across all sales channels. You can also save time and money on shipping through a shipping software. So you can save actually your frequent shipping preferences and leverage the software's automated shipping rules feature to cut your fulfillment time and save actually on shipping cost. And you can also track progress. I mean, it's one of those things where within the shipping software, you have analytics and reporting features, and those features can help you analyze your shipping performance, providing valuable insights into shipping cost, delivery times, carrier performance, etc. So you have a lot of possibilities there, and that's kind of cool from a flexibility point of view, but also from a scalability point of view. So if you are thinking about small business USPS shipping hacks, let me give you a few pro tips before I close to this conversation. See, if you are a frequent mailer or a small business in general, you want to really understand that there are a few hacks to really put in place right now. Don't do it tomorrow. Do you want to do it now so you can start saving money? I want to talk to you about a few things such as postage solutions, commercial prices, pickup demand, okay, pickup on demand rather, package pickup, but also free supplies. Okay, so when I speak about postage solutions, postage matters, postage meters rather, postage meters, and PC postage actually products offer the convenience of postage when you need it from your home or office. So many PC postage products include valuable features such as a software accounting of mailing expenses and integrated scales for exact postage calculations. So that's pretty good. And you can learn more about that if you go to the USPS website. You also want to really take advantage of commercial prices. So if you have large volumes of mail and are willing to invest some time learning more about preparing and sorting mail, you might qualify for larger orders at lower cost. Okay, lower postage prices. But to qualify for these prices, you must mail at least 200 newsletters, flyers, or ads, or 500 or more postcards, letters, or invoices at a time. So to learn more about the commercial mail, you want to really go to USPS for more. Okay. You also have the pickup on demand. So for a fee, the cool thing is that the post office will pick up your postage, paid qualifying packages from your home, small business, or organization within a scheduled 2-hour time frame. There is no additional charge for picking up multiple pieces of mail. So correct postage must be actually affixed to each piece prior to pickup. So if you have more information, if you need more information, you want to call a number I'm going to give you right now. So that's 1-800-222-1811. Or you can just go to usps.com/pickup for additional information. You also have package pickup. So package pickup is actually the easy, convenient way to send qualifying packages. Just submit your request online, and your letter carrier will actually pick up the package during their normal delivery time. This service is free of charge, regardless of the number of packages you are sending. So whether it is a one-time event or multiple shipments, you can plan your pickup schedule actually up to 3 months in the future. So that's really good. Up to 3 months, that's really great in terms of flexibility. And you also have free supplies. So if you mail a lot of Priority Mail Express or Priority Mail items, you can save trips to the post office by ordering packaging supplies, including envelopes and boxes, online at usps.com shop, or by calling 1-800, same number, 1-800-222-1811. So the bottom line is to this conversation, I explained to you a few small business USPS hacks, shipping hacks. I'll give you the generalities, the top hacks, and finally the pro tips. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.